Rental property management can be a monumental task. With so many details to track and numbers to manage, how well you stay organized can be the difference between success and failure. And property management accounting software is here to help. While it is possible to handle things like rent payments through your bank or financial statements with Excel, failing to take advantage of tools available can increase the chance of human errors and make your business harder to grow. The right rental property management accounting software can help your financial records stay accurate and organized, saving you time, money, and stress. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Today, we're going to be comparing some property accounting software options. Let's start with a quick rundown of what property management software is. This accounting software refers to any accounting product that can accommodate rental property operations. Some products, like DoorLoop, are specially tailored towards property management fields and give users access to more specific tools. Others are more standard small business accounting options that can be used to meet a wide range of accounting needs, like Xero and QuickBooks. How property management accounting software is used can depend on many factors, from the size of the tenant base to the number of units under management. Some property management teams will require the more comprehensive reporting available with specialty products, while more standard options may suffice for others. Personal preferences and business needs can both play a significant role in how software is used to manage rental properties. Most accounting software products offer basic functions like creating a chart of accounts, maintaining a ledger, making journal entries, and handling accounts payable and receivable. Some level of financial reporting is standard as well, including running income and cash flow statements. However, more specialized products like DoorLoop offer additional features that can make staying organized and on top of obligations a little easier. This includes rent collection and online rent payments, customizable expense tracking, check generation, an easier way to manage maintenance requests, and paperless document organization. Because the software isn't just an accounting platform, all necessary business information is housed together in a way that makes management, financial and otherwise, simple. Today we're going to cover a few options for your accounting. At DoorLoop, we sell specialized real estate property management software that puts convenient solutions at your fingertips, not just basic accounting software. However, that doesn't mean that we're necessarily the right fit. By outlining the pros and cons of some of the other big names in the business, honestly and transparently, you can arm yourself with the information you need to make the best decision for you. Rental property management accounting software isn't one size fits all, and what works for one management company may not work for another. There are many different products on the market, from specialty options to generic small business solutions, so it's up to you to do your due diligence before making a choice. Now I'll be providing a list of the most prominent accounting software options as well as their pros and cons. First, let me tell you about DoorLoop. Now, disclaimer, I do work at DoorLoop, but I think you're gonna love us. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management platform that can handle company accounting and a whole lot more. It's designed to be a one-stop solution with functions that include tenant screening, lease generation, collecting online payments, marketing resources, and maintenance request management. Accounting services are focused on a property management solution specifically, giving users access to tools that best align with their business needs. This software can do a lot more than just standalone accounting solution for your property management business. For those that hate using generic accounting software for managing your real estate business, or those seeking the more robust features that come with more comprehensive products, may find themselves limited by rental property specific tools. Some users may use DoorLoop in conjunction with other accounting products like QuickBooks, which leads me to talking about using QuickBooks alone. So QuickBooks has been an industry leader for decades, and for good reason. It's easy to use, great at keeping basic information organized, affordable, and efficient. It can work in conjunction with numerous third-party applications as well. QuickBooks is a more generalized business solution, which means that it lacks some industry-specific features property managers may want from property management accounting software. This software also has limited reporting capabilities outside of the accounting basics, which can be frustrating for users with specialized needs. Next, let's look at Xero. Xero is a robust accounting resource with easy-to-use tools and slick reporting interface. It can accomplish most basic accounting needs, as well as things like automated rent invoices. Advanced reporting functions allow property managers to access a wide range of helpful information. Like QuickBooks, Xero isn't specific to rental property management. The program lacks management software capabilities like tenant screenings and doesn't offer a way to upload important documents associated with tenant accounts. Our last option today is Sage. Sage is another consistent staple in the cloud-based accounting software game. The platform is more flexible than some of its competitors, allowing for access to customized reporting options. It also has more industry-specific features than the other general products like Xero. Sage also offers a very robust range of products, making it easier to find something for everyone. The software you choose can play a vital role in the course of your business. The wrong software can hold you back, while the right software can save you time while reducing errors in reporting. Don't make a choice based on your peers, make a choice based on your needs. From the straightforward basics to a fully integrated multi-phase solution, there are plenty of options out there that can transform your approach to management. If DoorLoop is the right software for you, you can get started today. I'll leave a link down below for a free demo. So I hope that this video helped you out. Also, if you're looking for a place to get advice or connect with other landlords or property managers, make sure to join our exclusive Facebook group. I'll have that link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this playlist for more tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!